Let's now look at the remaining arithmetic operators. We'll start with the compound operators and understand how they work. When we write x plus equal to y, what does it mean? It means first, perform x plus y, and then store this result in x. So, it is interpreted as x equals x plus y. Did you notice? In one line, we are performing addition and also storing result. There are multiple operations done using just one operator. Hence, these are called compound operators. The other compound operators work the same way. So, x minus equal to y is interpreted as x equals x minus y. X multiply equal to y becomes x multiplied by y and store the answer in x. X divided by equal to y is x divided by y and store the answer in x. Finally, x mod equal to y is x mod y and the result is stored in x. So these were the compound operators. There are two operators left now, increment and decrement. Increment operator is represented by two plus signs. It increases the value of data by 1. Similarly, decrement operator is two minus signs. It decreases value of the variable by 1. There are two forms of increment operator, post-increment and pre-increment. Post-increment means plus plus is written after data, while pre-increment means plus plus is written before. Now let's say we have a variable x equals 10. What happens when we try to print x plus plus and plus plus x? X plus plus is post-increment, meaning its current value is first used and then it is incremented by 1. On the other hand, plus plus x is pre-increment, meaning value is first incremented before it can be used anywhere. Hence, for post-increment, output is 10. Why? Because its current value, which is 10, is consumed by the SOPLN statement. So, the current value is printed, and then x is incremented by 1 internally. After the SOPLN statement, value of x is changed to 11. On the other hand, for pre-increment, the output is 11, because it is pre-increment, meaning Java will increment it by 1 before it can be used by SOPLN. Clear? Post and pre-decrement operators also behave in the same manner. So, suppose you have x equals 10. Now let's see what happens when we write x minus minus and minus minus x in SOPLN. X minus minus means post-decrement, so its current value is first consumed by SOPLN and then decremented. Its current value, which is 10. The current value is printed, and after this, x is decremented by 1. So, after SOPLN is finished, value of x will be 9. On the other hand, minus minus x means pre-decrement. So, the value is first decremented before it can be consumed by SOPLN statement. Hence, output is 9. Okay? Now let's test your understanding of these operators. First question. Can you guess what would be the final value of x, y, and z? Watch me as I solve it. Let's start with plus plus x. It means pre-increment. The value of x will first be incremented and then consumed. So plus plus x will be 6. Plus plus x will be replaced by 6 in the equation. Z equals 6 plus something. In the same, plus plus y is 8. So, value consumed is 8, and value of y is also 8. Plus plus y will thus be replaced by 8. So the equation here becomes z equals 6 plus 8, which is 14, and final values are x equals 6, y equals 8, z equals 14. Next. What would be the output here? Let's find out. Here we have post-increment operators. If you remember, in post-increment, current value is first consumed and then incremented. X equals 5. We have post-increment x. Here, value of x will first be consumed. So, value of x is 5 in the equation. The value is then incremented by 1. So, x will now be 6. Likewise, current value of y is first consumed because it is post-increment. Value of y is taken in the equation of z. Once consumed, y will then be incremented and it will change to 8. Let's compute value of z now. Z equals 5 plus 7 equals 12. And final values are x equals 6, y equals 8. Next. Here's the last practice question. Z equals y plus plus, then again plus, minus minus x, plus y, minus x minus minus. First step is to break down all the operations. Value of y is 7. We have y plus plus. Value will be consumed first and then incremented. In the equation, replace y plus plus with 7, and then its value is incremented to 8. Second expression is minus minus x. X is 5. Minus minus x means value will be decremented first and then consumed. So, it becomes 4, and then we will replace it in the equation. So, z equals 7 plus 4 plus something. Third expression is plus y. So, y is incremented to 9, and then it will be consumed. So, z equals 7 plus 4 plus 9 minus something. Okay? Going good so far? Finally, we have x minus minus. It is post-decrement, meaning value will first be consumed and then changed. So, current value goes in the equation, okay? And then value is changed. So, x now becomes 3. So, to finish off, z equals 7 plus 4 plus 9 minus 4, which is 16. And finally, x equals 3, y equals 9. This was a tough one, and I hope you enjoyed solving it. That's the end of this lecture. See you in the next video.